Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to reset your PeopleFirst password. Here you can see this, there is the no any password reset link, and if you are worried to reset the password of this PeopleFirst, here I will tell you how to reset the password of PeopleFirst. First of all, just go back from the PeopleFirst app and come into your I'm Here Pro app. Here you can see here reset your OID password. Just click here. Here I will tell you how to reset your I'm Here Pro password. Just click on the reset your OID password. Click on the browser and it gets loaded. Click on user ID. Just fill your employee ID. Click on continue and it will send the OTP on your registered mobile number. Send OTP. Here just click the OTP. One 157814. 157814. Here just type your new password. Here I will type the password. And just retype your password and click on change password. Here you can see the success message. Password has been changed successfully. Just go back and come back again the PeopleFirst app. And here you can see what is your domain ID and OID. Here you can see this, there is no any link provided here to reset your password, but here is the remark: if you want to reset your user ID and password, then you will redirect it to the I'm Here Pro to reset it. So we are already reset our I'm Here password. Just type here your user ID and your password. Remember me and just log in. And here you can see the OTP verification message. Just click on the get OTP. Here your OTP will be automatically verified, and click on the login button. Here it will ask for the face authentication or your PIN or thumb impression password. Here I don't need any of the password. Just click on the not now and it will show me the personalized look for this app. I just click on the this blue theme, apply, and it gets started. Just click on your attendance if you want to check your attendance. If you want detailed video on any topic, just suggest me in the comment box. Let's back to the our I'm Here Pro app and log in it with the same password of PeopleFirst. Just click here the your user ID or your employee ID will be sent. login password. And as you can see, it is logged in successfully. Thanks for the watching.